12 minutes past 8 on Kaya FM 95.9. Mr. Shope.
Mr. Shope,
it's the beginning of the new year.
How you say?
I have to show you respect because of your success in 2015, which I'm sure will be even bigger in 2016, my brother. So congratulations. It's been absolutely wonderful working with you and your success. Everyone is witnessing, and I'm sure a lot of people are taking a leaf from your book.
Let's kick off the third year song. This is the third year. This is the third time listening to jazz in Kaya FM. And every January it's jazz.
Yeah.
Jazz what?
I played a gig in Klerksdorp. Pizza Molemani had organized it. It was a nice venue, you know?
Sure.
And about 11, that's when I started. It went down. After 1 hour, they were coming to the stage. I Rakopa di Balat.
I want to people price. You're right.
They were tired.
And I want to be like, sorry. I want to marry a kid. Mina? I want to marry a nyana.
People price it. How's the holidays coming?
The holidays were okay, brother. We're okay. Went to Cape Town. Decided to do a show.
Yeah, because I remember you were not
day.
feeling Cape Town because of the venue and the numbers.
And the next thing, Fat Joe hooked us up with a very nice theater called the Rockwell Theater.
All right.
300 seater. I decided, let's just do a show here. Let's see what will happen. Next thing, we have 3 shows and all of them are packed.
Wow.
And we're going to do one.
That's incredible.
And now we're going to be there every month. So white people are angry. We don't care. Basically.
Oh, so you're the one that caused all this.
From the bottom of our hearts to white people, we don't really care. That's nandaba. That's the happy thing. See right, bravo. The thing doesn't like bravo. Ilanga less 8 lonyak. Ilanga less 8 like 2016. Interzen zekenga lonyaka. Ngalo nyaka kuphele mina. Already. Angeke lonyaka uphele khumutso 8 days intezenzeke ngalonyaka sibizwe ngemfene sathi sibheke lokho usibuka sitshela manga usibuka umukuthi lo mntwana uphase yonke into 100 ngathi mina wafaka isithombe sala mntwana oqala mntwana ufaka uniform asiyibuzile ukuthi lo ogqoka uniform ngoJanuary ikolo ivaliwe ubani
yeah
but uthola English 100% ngathi angeke English in a essay when good English in a essay angifuni ukwazi ukuthi ubani ufunde sibi isilungu abelungu English eyabo abathola 100% babhala isilungu lo mfana lo owala ikhatha home odla ikop namathumbu Gibo na TV. Umama kuyigulela. La mntwana abantu bathi uthola 100 English ngathi English ngiyazi mina ngithola English ngithola 73 obvious vele nakhona ngiphushile ngale 73 lo mntwana uthola 100 iessay ubaba uJeremia ngeke shilo mntwana ukwazi ukuspela restaurant angeke Mntwana wazi ukuspela amagama amakhulu kushuthi ke
impossible
khulu uphumela number 97 bengeke ufika lalela wathi usudlala ngathi wathi hayi bengidlala Why you guys looking at the negative? The boy got a passer. Yeah, all right, some friends, some support. But the math uthole 100 imathi abuye kahle hong angithi ku wrong be kahle hong angithi mina because you are black or you are from eKasi angeke uthola 100 kodwa bengise kahle hong bra bob HIV mina anko awe ukuthi ngifamous yabo bra bob and anginandaba mina ngizele kahle hong ngiyosiphuzela how kuna street bash abantu abangakanani ngene bangibone bangifanise la ngathi ngizohlushwa ngibaleka hey azake ngibona into nje abantu beza kimi omunye bamgwazile unomese la unomese intime la skumber ngithi awuthami yablila ungawari into sayizolo lesifini thina enhlolo yawo Kahle hongu mina ngangiphinda nyela bayana abantu banama drip etshwaleni ephakathi kwestrati kune saluni ngaba igigi mara kune saluni phakathi izangoma zidlula ngeyigubhu or izangoma uzekule gigi or nedablapa angeke wazi kuni ngiyaqala ngiyakulanda angangiphinde ngiyakulanda uthengisa ikopu obo mama bakhona upheka ipapa mama khona kana phini uphendula ipapa ngesandla nize nikuphakele baba ngathi hayi ngongiphokoyo ngathi amazimbo nikuphakele baba nikuphakele ngathi hayi ngiright mina okay ufaka umtsheka ngapha ngathi mina konzwane ekahle hongu semaplazini abantu bakhona abanandaba le life ku right enye chere khona namihle skill bokho ibheke mina ngapha ibheke umngani wami ithi hello enhle kufuna ukhaga bani la ngangijwayele ka malingo ngijwayele ka mina ubaba ukhona mhlamba umbuni no man Sayikhatlong lentaba le enomese serious iyableed in a 2 days ibleed idayina ndaba izokhipha lo mese Wednesday chahanga ndaba so lo mntwana bathi uthole 100 yonke into I sorry teachers sorry usibonza mistake mhlawumbe lesithombe usipostile yabo azange sihambe last year so yeah yathi ifona khiphoria hey awuke ngiposte lento yayiposta repost so ya over teachers udala injebo waboshwa le yababa wangena ejele la baba weXhosa zazi inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngibona hamba ngathi hamba emkhonto and udala injebo ucabanga ukuthi uyinkosi ejele ngene sekathi Molen iKings ingenile ke ngoku but sorry baba ayila la kuna bonongoloza abamnyama cabanga udala nje bakala nje isakonongoloza and ungena after Christmas uthi soze ndibotshwe before Christmas khawuthi ndike as bedroots 7 colors soze ndizibone for 17 years ndihleli phaya ngikhubulozi ngingu-Oscar ndihleli ndohlala noKraycha ke uyamazi uKraycha angamazi uKraycha hamba mbonile ngafuna ukubosha laba final iboshiwe hayi so lalela proper 8 days into zingaka sizakela ngapha uKraycha bamsusile singaboni bamthanda bamse bathi sesimax bathi uphuma for 1 hour 23 hours uhlele lela jele abamfakelo lincane proper ukubona toilet yaselokushini itoilet yaselokushini kokuqala ngeke uyivale uhleli phansi fanele ungene phakathi bese uyavala before uhlala ngoba uma ungahlala ungakavala umnyango ngeke uvale lo yamnyango uyokukapa amadolo bakugcina bathi toilet yabuye ne injury wathini uthe ngazokukajwa ama toilet kabuhlungu toilet yaselokushini enelivulekile la phansi abantwana bathi
My brother, did you listen to Somizi while he was on with Kuli?
That's nice.
That's nice, eh?
That's nice, but Somizi another thing. Against us question now as more. Why not him flying in I was called to come to the Tudangati lab, but Somizi and could kill it. Nice one. It was brilliant. That was nice. Right. Somizi. Somizi.
Mhlongo or Mzulu?
Umzolo bengithi mara bayafana ke nokhulu angithi ama matric results abumile amaZulu namaXhosa legcine alamaXhosa phuma number 9 lalehela nje and understand ukuthi amaXhosa was supposed to be abantu abaslam okuqala emhlabeni.
Who said that? That's the first place. That is your problem, your perception.
Yokuthini?
But Tina, we are supposed
to be the president yethu yapho mathi the right the boys iphumile ke ngoku sabusa ngathi amaXhosa silema so amaZulu inaTali baphuma number 8 ishumaya. That's the problem. Kodwa ukufunda shumaya laba down asiyathandana
nale
madongeni kodwa ukufunda nibela ukufunda but ama matrics asaphumile panyaza ucosha ama principal laba Chico mara why athanda ngiyawuqosha wonke umuntu hayi benzeni abafailile babhaleni bona ngabane phepha balibhalayo
exactly
uyo ofike ngama laptop nama computer abantwana abaphunda ngezinto abangazijwayelanga phela hayi wonke principal osesikolweni ungene ngoba ufundile abanye bangene ngoba beba volunteer and beba ama comrade 104 years hamba by principal at serious yabaza uyo principal ngathi ulahlekile serious la imophethe yabaza principal ama brain ut imophethe yase assembly nokuthi isikolo siphumile kuphela abantwana bayifela ini bayaxosha kupanyaza kadlali ke uyaxosha senzakele izinto kulomhlaba bravo but it's ku grand as siphumulile man 8 days play coffee nayo waboshwa amara yini waye court
a flyer
waye court but yeah you're not tell the truth the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
A lot of things have gone down. Oh my goodness. One of the things that went down is that our erstwhile most wonderful producer you'll ever work with Googled Skhumba on the internet, and this is some of the stuff that's come out. Maybe you want to read this. He Googled Skhumba.
Man Google Skhumba bese ngoma images. Ithamba soqala somnye umzulu. Baba bangifunde. Nanda ngifunde moyeni lena.
But it's not what you say, it's what's written there.
Yeah, but kubhalelwa ukuthi hange ngifunde moyeni. Avele la nami lokugcina emsakazweni leli. So mina baba bhekile into engenza empilweni yami.
Right, do it as listeners. Just Google images Skhumba and see what you come up with, and maybe you want to call us on 08600.
Yeah, bangasfonela ama lines athi awasebenzi.
Oh no. You know, before that 8 days, remember there was that announcement made by Msholozi about Nhlanhlanele. So yeah, it's been going down in this country.
Yabona ko Obama bekakhala I think yesterday. Yakhala ngabantu abaduthuliwe like asole inyembezi, and I decided to what if ngelinye la ngumsholozi akhali?
Yeah.
Asashaya speech eParliament, opening of Parliament. Guys. Hey. Hi, girls. Apekware. Ay. Angazi like angazi ukuthi oh 104 years. 104. Nisasithethisa. Akhala ukuthi ANC 104. Akhala nje. Akhala umsholo nje ngene. Ngiyabona phela i-state of the nation address kufanele kuze wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
Kuse abomama basekhaya either uzana yonke le group or uyakhetha ukuthi uzana namuphi.
Yeah.
Because makazana yonke le group ngathi ngiyabakhala bheka umakhumula. Hey! Comes, ngidumbiza Comes. Comes. Khala mawukhala asidilithi.
It's been dramatic.
It's been 8 days, Joe. 8 days. Siyasivumbuka nje. Siyivumbukela nje. Happy nomlungu sibiza ngemfene. Hayibo.
Imagine.
Nomlungu uthi thina. Yazi lalela nomlungu ngabo sibiza ngemfene ngabo 24 December. Bese nganandaba besisasenemali lapho. Bese simfene sisikubona simfene yenzani. Sithi hey usitshele ngalento ukuthi thina simfene singanamali. Abantu yabona udakhi ne problem ke. Uvela kwatele asakwatela ngokuthi usibiza ngemfene. Sinenkinga ye stationary kumanje. Kune list kufuneka ama ruler i8, ama pencil i24, ama rubber i53. Lo muntu usiyimfene. Yazi kasi abantu bakwatela kanjani yazi uyasijwayela nje lo mlungu akasazi. Uthi ngimfene pheka khona manje eBradlaws baceda ukungifonela. Bangitshela ukuthi ngibhadala ngamasoft. Uthi ngimfene.
Tabiso.
Hey, Papi.
Did you Google Skhumba?
Hey, hectic in that day.
Hey, but it's not something you can say on air, right?
Hey, Skhumba libitso la gago le rafa in that day.
Mina ngazi ukuthi lo muntu othatha lesasithombe walibhe
and talk to good Rafi, it's about me pela mashabela and that. Correct to the Rafi Tamesar mashabela.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Thabiso driving. Innocent, you just Googled Skhumba. What did you see?
Sure, Pop. What I saw, well, it's not something you can say.
Hey, but in cool.
Hey, nale elandelayo lena. Hey, ukuyenza
Hey, Joe.
Pop.
It's not me. I told you it's our producer, but thank you very much, Innocent. Everybody just having fun with this. We welcome back Skhumba on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitan. For now, though, 8:29. What's happening in traffic? Tortured Soul on Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. I'll be there for you at 8:38. Scooby, did you see what Steve Harvey did? I mean, that was so cold.
Pause. Oh, no. That was not cold. Bob, ni hired a comedian. Ni serious.
I see your point.
At some point, Steve... comedian. Hey, there was no way Steve Harvey could have made that mistake. There was no way, because amakama oqala awahlalanga in the same like in the same line. But like squans kanje, like bayanga straight. Steve what konje comedian. And you know what happens now? Now Steve is gonna host that thing for the next 5 years. Because they, for the first time in Miss Universe, got that much attention. Steve was just being Steve. He's getting mine out of it. Like, up. It's like you doing a link with okay. Oh, I felt. Yes, it is. Kronos, Ronald McCray. I felt. Bonunian look like when's that? No. What's it right? But
that's the thing.
Hold up. Steve have somewhere and we have the Miss Katlehong 2015 is Mathiriso. Mathiriso ima kancane. Hayi man uThogo winile. So Thogo wena hey boyfriend ngamathilo yalela uzokuthola ngaphandle phela. Angithi awubone emehlweni. Sizokuvula la mehlo thina. There's no way uzoropa abantu elokishini. Hey lalela elokishini asidlali urope bani. Umathiriso mawuthi uMiss Katlehong. Sakacabanga yonke lento azoyibenefita la Katlehong. Uthi yo nyokeza abantwana child welfare. Tele Crosari. Boyinto abaswina abo Miss Lokish. Akuna moto elokishini another last time. Hey Miss Soweto ayina mo Miss Soweto. Last time they bawini moto. What travel 3 months but sorry. Imoto abayibhadalanga la. Ngicela fresh na yami ngiyokhipha fresh. When was the last time bathi no Miss Transkei? Zakuwina imbuzi ke. Nayihap. Me. My latest stage appeal. Me. Ndakuyipraya. Me. Funa shoot na isithombo Miss Transkei. Saka mama maphondo kanje. Imbuzi yakhaba me. First princess iphethe 2 yenkukhu kanje. Second princess iphethe iscoop samaheo ngithi dinekile. Iscoop samaheo ne pramba stofu za. Siyarojwa la. Me. What page in newspaper?
Imbo yabantu.
Imbuzi, ipramba stofu namaheo na 2 yenkukhu. Emnyama nemhlobo. Andikwathi udinekile imdinile lento ukuthi wina inkukhu zo. Azibengizimisela ngale mbuzi. Oh my wonder man. Okay. Abo Mr. bakhona phela kuba no Mr. labo bebathafu laba bama 6 pack bathi winile ngene in awazi lethani prize yakhe kumele TV NS form le
Yes.
and uyayiguqa fanele uguqa iprize yakho lento ukuthi iprize yakho akuthi ama prize wathola uwathola manje uguqa TV ayimsindi yajuluka wathi you wanna say something thank you shoot man shoot ne Ariel yakho ne wena Ariel
Bunny ears.
is an Ariel Shahlamehlo Mr. Katlo family yakhe izombona munye une drip asayithini omunye wini fridge yaze lokushini nothing physical nje kasi kumnandi bro hayi le ndaba Steve udlale ngabantu Steve udlalile ngabantu Steve hayi indaba okudlala uthi asuya kuphela udlale ngabantu yazi le ndaba elungu ingichazile basibiza ngemfeni bese kwavela uTokolosho wavela wakora 100 ke ecricketini akekho umuntu omfishane njengale Barry hey la mntwana mfishane shem ubavuma akavele TV kuvela isikokoro kuphela ukora kanjani sembona amarana yasho umbona ubavuma TV ngathi ubukela iTV yesakade first black cricketer to score 100 asimboni mara ama player mamhaka vela inyamalale ke mabamhaka uzathi ubavuma kuba ngathi umuntu ufaka izipho ngathi izipho wenini but lento lalela bro upheni ungidinile yabo uvuka wangidina ngathi lo ngitshela ugogo wami ke izinto ngabe wami uthatha izinto personal for no reason ugogo wami uthethela ugogo wami uthanda ukuthetha for yonke into la gogo wami mogeza how ugwebo lungaka ugenza izinto nje ugwebo gogo mara khani ngicala ngithi isponge sikhumbula ugogo wami uthethisela yonke into ngithi gogo naye mhlolo upheni uthi simfana athi Tina angingifuna ngiyemfonela ngithi upheni beka nama number wakhe athi angithengele ibhotsotsi le time 5 rand yakhichima yakuthi akangasunga yaringa beyibamba upheni hello Penny yes me is the monkey yes it's me is the monkey emhlungisa gogo kamsizela le it's me is the monkey hoof Gogo impena yithi ufu but ugo is impena ikhonkotha wena it's the me it's a hoof so we're a monkey Tina your mother yes it's the hoof you have 1 minute remaining lalela Penny this time is going to be finished ne yeah wena lalela yewena Penny who's this is the queen monkey it's the queen of them all gogo yeah angangijoyela ngifuna sibiza ngalezi zinto akasazi ngaleyo ndlela hey wena hey ukhathekile yazi angike 5 ngifuna umthinta futhi ngodala tazama hey it's the monkey it's the queen of the monkey the hoof gogo imfene ikhonkotha ukawe ibona imfene ikhonkotha wena so imfene zana lokho yo wena
Points you in the direction of one of your homeboys. There's something about Kasi Yahau, which is very interesting. The talent that comes out of Tembisa is really incredible. From Tibos to DJ Smooth,
to DJ Shimza, to Skumba.
Yes.
To Fong, who plays very nice R&B, to soccer players.
Yes.
Soccer players, brabo. We have Abomtu, we have Pizza Matamati, we have Jeris Kosana, dog.
Yep. Legs of thunder, face of Ravcast. Yeah. But it's good though. One of the people that we need not forget is Moses Taiwan.
Pramos.
For Jazzrory, we picked this song in honor of your township. Can I play it? Is that all right?
Pramosi.
Straight from the masters, I believe that indeed. Moses Taiwan Mulilekwa. And next month marks 15 years since the death of one of the greatest South African jazz musicians to ever live, Moses Mulilekwa. And that song, everyone knows this, Genes and Spirits. For more stories on the legacy of this music and the power thereof and interesting facts about your favorite jazz musician, go to www.jazzry.fm. You'll get more information on there, and as an Afropolitan, we know you will appreciate it. 8:52 on Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. A lot of people are saying, as a matter of fact, Kumba, Tembisa and Katlehong are pretty much the same.
Never. Angeke, never. You never. Nyala. Tembisa kuna order. Tembisa kuna makasi angeko. La kuna makasi kaslam. La kuna kasi wajik Mtambega. Mtambega kuna ATM for obvious reasons.
What are the obvious reasons?
Ufungia ATM Mtambega. Ufungia kuna ATM lela logish. Lalela Mtambega is the only kasi ambulance ngati ya renka. Sekaslam. Hey, bravo, pasa kwaza lapha. Lapha wonke umuntu bamba inkunzi and they specialize khona basidila ngama silver, khona bama paper, khona bama wash, khona bama phone.
Manje
Abatshantshi basicelela nje bazokuba bese cela iwave. Ikaslam Mtambega. Mtambega lalehela, Mtambega kuna ATM. Ikhona mhlambe isendlini omunye uGrotmane wa.
Nanas.
Brabiza. Isendlini kwakhe. Ebusuku. Brabiza. Sakol draw. Ngilele. ATM sechartini. Uyitshontshile wayifaka kwakhe endlini. Mtambega ubaza abantu baseMtambega wena. Abantu baseMtambega banokushada umshado isegarage. Umakoti ufaka iRoyal Orange.
Man.
La kucleavage ikobi okap la. What's the Samson? Yes, mshado unokumela umakoti. Makoti wena umkhonyana waza Samson simengawe. Samson akaphuzanga into yala. Yes, ngijaha. Ngibambeni. Unisakwana wasezayoni or wasewesela umtholi kahle. Garage. Babathi ayikho ngoba tsantsara kuvula igarage umnyango uza. Base garage. Khonyana ume kanje. Kweni nifuna ngingi address wrong shada Mtambega hayi like kuna ma antique unokufika la kazuthi lakuse museum or hey laban kule asameni semtambega
yo
yini hayi
Problems.
no
ingcono mari kahlongo yonke kahlongo ikahlongo Yekadong bangigijimise ngidebe bese bangibona ngosikhomba sebagijima bayeze emotweni nami senyagijima sengizenza celebrity nami yangena nyabaleka umunye uthi ema batshontshe sipewe.
What is jazz?
Greg Maluka, we're talking about Jazzry and some exciting ideas. I wanted to start with the website.
Yeah.
We've got a platform where we've posted quite a number of dialogues and engagements.
Yeah, it's called jazzry.fm.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically a presentation of the idea around the masterclass and what we had in mind. It covers the history of jazz and the many interventions that have come around. So yeah, we urge all our listeners to check it out and give us some feedback, and please contribute some thoughts, stuff you know that we may not know that would form part of the masterclass would be interesting for us to pick up on.
The Jazzry Masterclass on Kaya FM 95.9.
The Gautrain invites you to top up your Gautrain Gold Card, ride the Gautrain and discover Gauteng this festive season, right through until the 17th of January 2016, when Gauteng's hustle and bustle goes to sleep. The festive cheer comes alive. Park at any of the Gautrain stations, do a return Gautrain trip and pay just R1 per day for parking. You could also ride the Gautrain bus for only R1 per trip. Use this amazing opportunity to discover fun and wonderful places across Gauteng this festive season. Terms and conditions apply. Visit gautrain.co.za.
Tavern mati kwaSatan. You know ukuthi konzakalana lapha.
Listen Tembisa.
Yeah, kwaSatan. But mawuthenga ibhenge R100 bavale radio. Sorry. Ubob lo ne. Uthenga iBA 100 simnike yonke change yakhe. Thanks bavule volume. Angeke uphume. Bona kuyiphuza yonke le R100. Now uma yothenga iBA ugcine le volume ehlisa. Sorry, ngene ngibole belokudakwa. Le mali selela yonke nyaphuma yakwami manje ne. Nikombela peace please. Nikombela peace. Bye bravo. Thank you very much. Unyaka on a good note. Let's turn our sadness into joy sometimes.
Yeah.
Let's find the nice things in everything that since the said, we can't start a year on a negative note where white people tell us what to do and what we are. We know what we are, and we are better than anything else. By us for now.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary to ANC. 104 years. Nibe right ke. Abokwede bayehle ke. Yehlani comrades. Azehle ke comrades goku. Sikhuphuka youth. I-comrades azehle ke i-gout zehle ke niyagula i-high blood andikwazi ukuthetha apha i-oxygens sinizwa gwede yehlani udede akayehle sakanoshukela udede ubuso bakhe belenga ngathi shida le akuyehlwe manje akuyehlwe abomama enje abuyehlwe sikubona i-twins lakhe lifikile ngithi last year simbonile umntana kini ufika hamba naye abehle bonke labantu abadala bahlale phansi manje bakhuphula abantwana 104 years please siyacela binakombela please.
Thank you very much, Kumbi.
Thank you very much, Mkhaya, for tuning in. Have a wonderful weekend. Remember, the weather is dodgy, so just, dress appropriately. My name is Kuli Roberts. Please be safe. We definitely want to be with you again very soon.
Thank you very much, team. We'll take a better shape from Monday. T-Boss comes back as well. Have yourselves a safe and fantastic weekend. God willing, we're together Monday morning at 6. Remember, Pusha Panda plays over 23 million rands, hey? So go for it. Play.